Trading in the Indian share market can be an exciting and potentially profitable endeavor, but it's important to have a well-thought-out plan before getting started. Here are some key steps to consider when planning to trade in the Indian share market. Define your trading goals. Before you start trading, it's essential to define your goals. Do you want to trade for short-term gains or long-term investments? Are you looking to generate regular income or capitalize on specific market trends? Defining your goals will help you develop a clear trading strategy. Research the market. The Indian share market is complex and constantly changing. It's important to research the market and stay up to date on industry news, economic indicators, and company performance. You can use various sources like financial news outlets, company websites, and social media to stay informed. Choose a trading platform. The next step is to choose a reliable and user-friendly trading platform. Consider factors such as fees, user experience, and customer support. Many brokers in India offer online trading platforms with a range of tools and features to help you trade effectively. Develop a trading strategy. A trading strategy is a set of rules and guidelines that you'll use to make trading decisions. It should include your risk tolerance, entry and exit points, and stop-loss orders. Your strategy should also consider the different types of trading, such as day trading, swing trading, or position trading. Practice with a demo account. Before you start trading with real money, it's a good idea to practice with a demo account. This will allow you to test your trading strategy and get comfortable with the trading platform. Many brokers offer demo accounts for free. Manage your risk. Trading in the Indian share market involves risk, and it's important to manage your risk carefully. This can include using stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, and setting realistic expectations for your returns. Keep a trading journal. Finally, it's important to keep a trading journal to track your progress and analyze your performance. This will help you identify areas where you can improve your trading strategy and make better informed decisions in the future. By following these steps, you can develop a well-planned and informed approach to trading in the Indian share market. Remember, trading involves risk, so it's important to approach it with caution and patience. Good luck!